for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.